see what this thing can do. Alright, let me see, try the 6 hour. Alright, we'll go ahead and try the 12-hour battery on it. See how long this thing will last. Now it has the actual to connect where you can control it through your phone too. So I downloaded the app and I'm gonna see how that thing works. So we have the compartment right here. This is where the battery goes in. Let me see if this 12-hour fit in there. Yep. Okay. Alright. And let's see what type of light this thing puts out. Oh, right there. Oh shoot. Okay. Yeah. Alright. Puts out a good amount of light. So let me go to the app now and see if this thing works. Already connected with the Bluetooth. Okay, we got it in range. And okay, here we go. Put it on, back on. Alright, and in the app, you can see it give like the total time, run time, when you connect, the battery life that's left on it. Here's the on and off switch. Cut it off. And cut it back on. So you can control it through your phone. So we have a 12-hour battery in it. So we're going to see how long it'll last throughout the workday. All right, so see you soon.